Standard equipped with 11 groups of 360-degree omnidirectional LED warning light matrix. Supports independent control of rear warning lights. Warning radius exceeds 200 meters. Achieves dead-angle-free warning and high visibility at night. Ensures absolute safety of being seen during duty patrol. Warning, light zone control. Right handlebar design with rear upright pole warning light. Independent control switch for horizontal row warning lights. Meets multi-scenario duty operation requirements. Dual power supply system. Independent power supply for vehicle and police equipment. Warning light equipment can still operate for 60 to 90 minutes after engine shutdown. Ensures normal vehicle startup even in low battery state. More composed in handling emergency missions.